So the 14th Amendment required that, quote, no state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States. So how about this particular clause, the Privileges or Immunities Clause? What was that understood to mean at the time that it was drafted? What did the authors of the 14th Amendment mean by privileges or immunities?
Yeah, so there's two things that kind of help us understand the intended scope of the Privileges or Immunities Clause. One of the reasons that the 14th Amendment was enacted in the first place was to provide more solid legal footing to the Civil Rights Act of 1866. So Congress certainly intended the Privileges or Immunities Clause to protect those rights. Protection by the government, the enjoyment of life and liberty, with the right to acquire and possess property of every kind, to pursue and obtain happiness and safety, subject to the restraints as government may justly prescribe for the general good of the whole, the right of a citizen of one state to pass through or to reside in another for purposes of trade, agriculture, professional pursuits, or otherwise, to claim the benefit of the writ of habeas corpus, to institute and maintain actions of any kind in the courts of the state, to take, hold, and dispose of property, an exemption from higher taxes or impositions paid by other citizens of the state. These and many others which might be mentioned are, strictly speaking, privileges or immunities, end quote. So this decision has a lengthy list of things that are privileges or immunities, and in that same case, the judge says it would actually be more tedious than difficult to list all of the privileges or immunities. So like you said before, the whole idea was that the 14th Amendment would be incorporating all of these